YouTube, what's the deal? PS Crew, what's poppin'? It's your boy Sean, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend about Pay & Shine. So look, y'all, I want to give a shout out to Kel the Dime, y'all. Kel the Dime, KELLTHADON. Hey man, go subscribe to this channel. Hey, run the numbers up. Tell them Pay & Shine sent you, and go over there and get him to 1,000 subs, y'all. If y'all get him to 1,000 subs, I will personally do a giveaway on Pay & Shine channel. But y'all gotta get him to 1,000 subs, and y'all got 2 days to do it. All right, y'all. So shout out to him. That's the homie, man. You know what I'm saying? He got great content. He just starting out on YouTube, so go show him some love, man. So look, y'all, I'm about to be pranking your girl Pay, and I'm about to be doing having my side chick called Payphone. Now I know y'all see the videos where people be having side chicks called A-phone, but I'm about to be having a side chick called Payphone, y'all. It's really not a side chick. I ain't got no side chick. It's really my cousin on my dad's side. Pay never met before. So basically, I'm about to be giving her my cousin. I'm about to be giving her Pay number, and she about to be pretending to be my side chick. Oh my God. Hey, y'all know when I get on this camera, I drop nothing but bangers. Nothing but bangers coming off the dome, freestyling, man. I ain't seen nobody do this video yet. If they have, I ain't seen it. You know what I'm saying? Everybody be having a side chicks called a phone. I ain't never seen when they had a side chick or the side dude called the partner phone. Hey man, run this video up. Subscribe to our channel. Hey, get us to 5K. Get us to 5K, man. It's taking a long time to get us there, man. Get us there. Hey, keep reposting us, keep sharing us, keep telling your friends, your family, your cousin, all that good stuff, man. All that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm about to go in here. I'm about to set this camera up. Everybody get into the video. Team Shine in the building. Salute. All right, y'all, look. I went to the back and took Payphone, y'all. I'm about to set it up here so she could be looking for her phone. I'm about to go take that trash out. Right there. I'm about to go take the trash out. And I'm gonna text my cousin. We about to get into the video. Team Shine in the building. Let's go, man. Let's go. I'm coming with bangers. She tried to play me with that shrimp video, trying to say I had a shrimp. It's my turn. Let's go.
Sean, I want some cake and ice cream. Sean, I want some cake. Oh, I can't wait to have a baby. I can't wait to see you. Oh. Sean! We want some cake and ice cream with buttercream frosting. Where's my phone? Where is he at? Where's my phone? there. Ow! I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I am not doing this. Not today. Not today. Whew. Not today. How you gonna leave without telling us he left? He could have got us some cake. And then he probably took I'm so tired. You heard that? Where's our phone? When you get older, I'm gonna get you a dog. I grew up with a dog. You will love it. Here you go. Oh, here you go. Why my phone over here? I don't even know who this is. Oh. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
This is not sitting right with me.
Who is this? Who is this?
Alright, my name is Sabrina.
Okay, how you doing?
I'm good, hi. Like, I apologize to be causing like all this extra stress and stuff, but like, just don't step rude with me. Like with you at home and Deshaun and stuff. Like,
So this is Sabrina calling on behalf of Deshaun.
yeah.
Okay, Sabrina, how do you know Deshaun?
I mean, I've known him since we was little. Like, he was like a friend of my sister or whatever. And then we kept in contact ever since. Like, even though they ain't go to school together or nothing like that.
So what you trying to say, y'all talk or something?
I mean, yeah, like, if that's what you want to say, if that's what you want to call it, like, we've been kicking it and stuff for a while.
So why you feel the need to call and tell me now if y'all been kicking it for a while? Because we've been kicking it for a while too, technically.
Well, because I keep seeing your name pop up on his phone, and I'm like, alright. Like, the first couple times I saw him, like, whatever, like, you know, but then my man now, so let me stop tripping, but I'm like, oh, something is up. So I was just see what was up, like I said earlier.
So he, okay. Well, yeah, okay. This is too much for me. Yeah, me and Sean kicks it. We've been kicking it for some years now. We about to have a baby. I don't even understand what's going on right now.
Yeah, that's the crazy part. Because like, when you say pregnant, I'm like, baby.
Yeah, we about to have a baby. Yeah, our
Like,
first
how
child.
did somebody?
He hit my, hold on, here you go.
Hey, the girl got in the hallway.
What's she doing?
I don't know, man. She said something her nigga was shit.
She in the house doing that? Fuck all that. Shut the fucking door. Because you need to worry about what bitch just called my phone talking about you cheating.
What are you talking about?
Exactly. Sabrina's on the phone talking about y'all been kicking it for a while.
I'm talking about a girl down the hallway.
Okay, I'm trying to tell you what the fuck's going on in this house.
What are you talking about?
Sean, some girl called. First of all, can I tell you something?
What are you talking about, bro? I just took the trash out,
Right.
and the girl down the hall going crazy for the dude cheating on her.
That.
So what are you talking
Well,
about?
it's about she down the hall tripping and I'm down the hall tripping. Because first of all, I want some cake and ice cream.
Okay.
Second of all, I messed my nail up. I gotta go back and pee. Now Sabrina called on my phone because she was seeing my name in your phone and y'all been kicking it for a year. She never knew nothing about me. You hear our pregnancy? You hear my pregnancy?
Sabrina who?
Talk to her. Talk to her. And I suggest
This your phone.
you better talk to the girl, Sean, before I get upset.
Hello?
Yeah, like, why you hang up? Like,
Who's this?
Sabrina, you already calling, listen, you already calling getting disrespectful. I mean, you already calling bothering me, so don't call getting disrespectful. I can hang up on you if I choose
I'm just saying.
to. Sean is right here to talk to you, so if you want to talk to him,
Who is this?
your girlfriend.
What girlfriend?
Your girlfriend that you knew all your life.
You the only girlfriend I have.
I will tell her that. She don't know.
Hello? Who's this?
you know exactly what this is, bro. Stop calling. Like, you really gonna do this?
Bro, why you calling this phone? Why you get this number, bro? What's wrong with you?
Bro, because when he was just over here, I saw it in your phone, and I'm like, I'm about to see.
Oh, so you
was like,
I'm about to tell you.
Tell me what?
It's my. Listen.
Wait. So I'm the one that. Oh, so I'm the one that caught your cum?
It's my neighbor.
I'm the
This
one.
is my neighbor. Listen. You know my neighbor Devon, right? This is his cousin. Me and her just cool, ain't nothing like that.
So why are you asking her why she's calling my phone? You know her?
I'm just saying, how you get the number though?
bro, I told you I got out your phone. You over there on Wednesday, right?
What you was over there doing?
Dang, I don't know. How you stole my phone or something?
What you was over there
You
doing?
remember my phone missing?
Right, but what you was over there doing?
She must have stole my phone.
But what was
She
you?
stole my
So
phone.
what was you over there doing on Wednesday?
I was at her cousin's house.
So while I'm wilding around at work.
I was at her cousin's house.
So I'm
Check on this phone.
So
I was at her cousin's house. I'm cool with her cousin. I don't even. She been liking me since we was kids. I told her I can't do that.
So she gonna keep calling my phone, Sean? Talk to her.
Bro.
On the nigga say something.
Bro, listen.
Wait. You see what I'm saying? So you mean to tell me that on Wednesday you was with her? Today Friday, so you was with her 2 days ago?
I was with her cousin. I'm cool with her cousin.
Why you guys always cheat
I'm
on?
cool with her cousin. She
She
been
was
liking
there?
me.
Was she there on
She
Wednesday?
lived next door.
So she was there on
She
Wednesday?
lived next door, bro. I'm trying to tell you, she lived next door. They live right there. What am I supposed to do? Can you stop calling this phone?
Why you talk to her so nice?
I just said stop calling this phone.
Why you talk to her so
I just said
nice?
stop calling
Why
this
you talk
phone.
to her so nice?
Bro, chill.
Stop talking to her so nice. Stop talking
I'm
to
telling
her
her
so
stop calling
nice.
your phone. Can you stop calling this phone, please?
Why you keep telling her please? Why you keep telling her please?
Bro.
Stop telling her please. What did you keep telling this whole please for? That's crazy. Why am I the one pregnant? That's all I want to know. Why did I get pregnant? Why did you get that hoe pregnant?
Bruh, you ripping my clothes up and stuff, bro. Like, you need to chill, bro. I'm gonna just leave, bro.
You think you about to leave and go be with this girl?
I'm at my mama's house.
You about to go get me some cake and ice cream.
Man, you just ripped my clothes up.
It's not ripped, it's right here, and I bought that.
So?
So?
So what you saying?
I'm just telling you. Go get me
It's broke. You broke.
Go get me some cake and ice cream.
I'm about to go get nothing. You doing the
Nah,
most.
go get me some cake and ice cream.
Say please.
I gotta tell you please, but you
All right,
can tell me
excuse me.
so please.
Excuse me.
So who gonna say please
Let
to
me change my shirt.
Who gonna say please to me? Cause everybody else telling people please, but I gotta say please.
You just ripped my stuff.
I gotta say
You
please.
just ripped my stuff up.
I gotta say
You
please.
don't have to say anything. You do what you want to do. Excuse me. Excuse me.
I gotta say. Alright. You worried about everything but what you're supposed to be worried about. This is stupid. This is so stupid to me, man. I'm so tired of this. Come on, I'm about to go too. Let me leave. Sean! Sean! Oh my God. Sean!
What?
You can stay because I'm about to go.
I'm about to go too.
No, I'm up.
I'm about to go too.
Well, we both have to go.
Okay, that's fine, honey.
Where
I'm
my
not
car
here.
keys at? Where my car keys?
Hello? She's still on the phone? Hello?
Yes, hello.
She was on the phone the whole time?
So talk to her.
I'm just saying she was on the phone the whole time.
Talk to her.
What you want to say?
Whatever you want to say. Give me.
Okay. I ain't got one of them. I don't care. I don't even know her.
That you do. That you do. You want. Sean, talk. Sean. Tell this girl to stop calling my phone.
You tell her. You tell her. You want to act all tough with me, but you got another girl calling your phone. You gonna check her? Come on, man. Come on, man.
Don't ever try to pull me a hoe car.
I'm not trying to.
I don't have a hoe car.
I am.
I don't have a hoe car.
Okay, well, check her in.
Tell her to stop.
I told her already. I told her. What you want to do? I told her. I can't go to the phone and tell her. She'll be blowing your phone up.
Well, then go sweet talk the hoe and tell her to stop calling my jack.
I ain't worried about
That's what you could do.
Man, listen, I ain't worried about you or her now.
Oh, yeah.
I ain't worried about you or her. You now, you check her. I told her already stop calling the phone. So now what? You about to leave? And you buy me the hoodie too while you out too.
I don't know about your name.
Man, it won't be the first. I don't care. You want to tell somebody your phone?
No.
Messing the furniture up and stuff?
You can keep the phone.
What's your phone? Hello.
Yeah.
It's a break. It's a break.
Don't lock
It's
the
a
door.
break. It's
Don't
my
lock the door behind
cousin.
me.
Okay, it's my cousin, bro. This is my cousin. It's my cousin. It's my cousin though. It's my blood cousin, my dad's side, bro.
Your blood cousin on
You
your
never
dad's
heard.
side, twice removed.
What do you mean?
Twice removed.
I had a lot of girl cousins on my dad's side. That's my blood cousin. What you talking about? It's my first cousin. Her dad, my dad, her mom, my first cousin. What you talking about, bro?
Yeah, it's a friend. It's a friend. It's a friend. It's a friend.
Hey, shout yourself out the camera. Tell everybody to go follow your Instagram. What's your Instagram name?
My Instagram name is Chris Star. Chris__ Star with 2 R's and then 2 more underscores.
All right, appreciate it, cuzzo.
You're welcome. All right, don't get beat up for that.
All right. Hey, man, I told y'all, this is a banger. Hey, man, y'all see what I be going through. I do this for y'all, man. I do this for y'all. She done ripped my hoodie. Got me all sweaty. I told you. You come with a prank, I'm coming back with a banger 10 times harder than that. 10 Sean, a bit of like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend about paying Sean. Hey, don't forget, subscribe to Kill the Deal. Kill the Deal. Kill, K-E-L-L, the THADON. Go subscribe to his channel, man. Paying Sean sent you, man. Until the next time. Pay, you got something to say? You want to apologize to me?
No.
Salute.